So the next one, once you want to, if you want to add your payment method, you click on this settle account. Okay, they will ask you to put your bank. If you have this all these bank store, all this bank card, you can click here, click next. Once you click next, there you can put your card number, pin and other stuff and save. Once you click on save, you click on boost now. Facebook will take the money from your bank. That's the simple way. Okay, so the next one, if you want to boost your page for followers, okay, you have to go back. Let's go back. You click on manage.